Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2020 GMC AT4, full front with XPEL Ultimate Plus, and then heallite, Heal Plus, sorry, for the back, ceramic coating that self-heals, full paint correction, and this big monster certainly sucked up some ceramic, I can tell you that. But here's our usual, just showing you that all these here are wrapped. So this is what we do here. Everything all the way around the headlight ring, everything in here, all this gets wrapped. No edges are exposed, everything all the way through. These little guys get wrapped, all this wrapped in here, the door all wrapped. And then we're coming back in here into the ceramic coating area. Nice paint to polish up. Turned out very well. And these also got, I don't know, they're doing these now on for protection. Probably when you load, scraping these areas. And there we go. So ceramic by Feynlabs, the Heal Plus line. That's their highest level of self-healing ceramic. And there's the hood all done, obviously in one section. The air intake here is two pieces. It gets seamed right here, but it's hard to see if it's done properly. All rolled around the edges, up in the hood here, rolled in. Everything is no gaps or anything. Done very nicely. And there it is, folks. So there's a 2020 GMC AT4, beautiful truck. Pleasure to do. If you guys got anything you need to do, let us know. Clearbrow, North Dallas, 940-703-8301. Have a great day.